Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying hardware and Windows because many requirements not met errors are basic mismatches. Check CPU model, GPU model, and installed RAM. Note them so you know what to upgrade. Once done, open Windows Update and install all important and optional updates. Make sure DirectX components update too. If you're not on a 64-bit build or you have under 8 GB RAM, plan a hardware upgrade. This is the only way to resolve persistent requirement flags. Next, you must update and force the correct GPU path because Fortnite often reports errors when the wrong adapter is selected. Download and install the latest driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Choose Clean Install to remove old remnants. Then, in Windows graphics settings or your GPU control panel, set Fortnite to use the high-performance GPU and disable integrated graphics if applicable. After that, reboot so new drivers and settings fully load. This step fixes mismatches more reliably than reinstalling the game. Finally, verify the game files and perform final system checks to eliminate corruption and permission issues. In Epic Games Launcher, run Verify on Fortnite so missing or corrupted files are replaced. Make sure to run the launcher and game as administrator. Temporarily disable overlays and antivirus that can block hardware queries. If the problem remains, update your BIOS firmware and confirm key settings. Secure boot typically fine, but ensure PCIe and GPU settings are standard. One tip, capture the exact error text and GPU model.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.